Hello everyone and welcome back to the top-down shooter tutorial. And in our case that means that making sure that health stays within valid limits. And let's get started. First open the C++ code and open TDS attribute set.h file. And now we need to override the pre-attribute change function. To do this, open the attribute set class, copy the function signature for pre-attribute change, and paste it into a TDS attribute set. Also add the override keyword at the end. Next, let's implement the function. At the start, check if the attribute is health attribute. To do it, compare attribute with the getHealth attribute. If attribute is health, use comp function, pass new value as the value, 0 as the minimum and max health as the maximum. Finally, set new value to the claimed result. Now that clamping is ready, we also need to change how we handle damage display. Let's do that now. First open the attribute set header file and copy the signature of post gameplay effect execute. Now paste it into TDS attribute set and add the override keyword at the end. Next we need to add a new attribute called registered damage. Above this attribute, add the uProperty macro with blueprint read only and place it inside method category. Also don't forget to add attribute accessors for it. Now let's implement post gameplay effect execute. First include gameplay effect extension at the top of the CPP file. Now inside post gameplay effect execute, start by checking if data evaluated data attribute is equal to get registered damage attribute. If the attribute is damage, we need to store the registered damage value into a variable. Let's call it damage. After that, immediately call set registered damage 0 to reset the value. Next, check if damage is greater than 0. If it is, calculate the new health by subtracting damage from getHealth. Finally, call set health with the new health as value. Next we need to get the character that's receiving the effect, so we can show the damage text. To do this, store data target attribute actor info, initiate pointer of gameplay ability actor info, variable called actor info. Now check if actor is valid, and if avatar actor inside actor info is valid too. If both pointers are valid, cast avatar actor to TDS character. Then check if the character is not null pointer. If it's valid, we need to call showDamage function on the character, but there is problem showDamage text is currently in the protected section of the character class. So open TDS character.h. Move show damage text to the public section. Now go back to post gameplay effect execute in TDS attribute set in place where we stopped and add character show damage text call with damage as a value. Also open TDS character CPP file and inside begin play remove the delegate we were using for damage tracking. And now it's time to compile and make our final changes inside the Unreal Editor. First open the damage gameplay effect and change the affected attribute to registered damage. Next open the apply damage to character function. Here remove the multiplication by -1, because now we need the damage magnitude to be positive. And let's test everything. Damage text is displayed correctly, and now health cannot be below 0. Everything works perfectly. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!